select move to trash and apply. And there's a few pages of these, so I'm going to keep on doing that until I get to the last page. And then here I'm going to select all of them but take off one or two, keep one or two of these and then apply. And there we go, you should be left with a couple of just default products because well, this is just for the demo website so you can see it working and so on, but obviously you would create your own products going forward. You don't want to use these default ones. And over here you can see this star. This is what you want to select to make an individual product a featured product. So you would just click on this to make it featured, and then it would show up in that featured section. So I'm going to click on this to unfeature that product. There we go. And now let's create our first product. So up here, let's click on add new, and this is the page where you're going to be creating your products for your shop. So I'm going to show you around. It's the same as I showed you earlier, so you'll probably know what it really looks like and how it works, but now we're going to actually be creating a product. So let's go, let's do it. So first things first is your product name. So all you do is type that in here. So I'm going to put Sunset Surfer Girl poster, and then scroll down, and then in here is where you enter your product's description. So I've already got some that I've written, so I'm just going to paste that in here. There we go, and then I'm going to scroll down and you've got your product data here. So this is like the price, sale price, inventory and shipping and so on. So first of all I'm going to put the price. There we go, and then in inventory you can use an SKU like I explained earlier. I'm not going to use one though. And in shipping you would want to change your shipping class. You'd select a shipping class, and this defines the cost of the postage for each individual product. So let's say for this poster, obviously it's not going to be as much as a surfboard. So then based on what someone wants to buy, the postage will change in the checkout. So it's pretty clever. It works really well, and it isn't complicated, but I will show you how to do it. You just need to learn how to do it, and then once you've done it once or twice, you'll get the hang of it, no problem. But we'll be doing that in a moment. I'll show you all about that soon. And then I don't use any of these other options here, so then I'll scroll down and I'll paste the same description in here. This is the short description which shows up to the right of the image for your product, so I'm going to paste the same thing in there. Then I'm going to scroll up, and on the right you've got things like categories. So as I explained earlier, categories are really useful if you've got lots of different products. So for this demo site, I've got surfboards, I've got paddles, I've got wetsuits and posters. So each product has its own category. So posters is obviously posters, surfboards is surfboards. And if someone comes to my shop and goes on one surfboard product, they can then click on the category which will be underneath, and it will show them all the other surfboards in my shop. So this is obviously really useful to get more of your products in front of your customers. So let's now click on add new category here, and then just type in your category name. I'm going to put posters, and then click on add new category, and that gets added. I'm then going to create some more categories so I've got them going forwards. So surfboards, and then wetsuits, and there we go. I'm going to uncheck wetsuits because this is a poster, so I just want it in the posters category. You can also use product tags if you like.